Hey guys, I'm going to teach you how to do the easiest shuffle. So the easiest shuffle is just the one that one. So yeah, you get one foot. I usually start with my right, put it up like that, and then slide, tap. Slide, tap. Slide, tap. Slide, tap. Try that. Slide, tap. Slide, tap. Slide, tap. Tap. The next step is to do it a bit faster. So, slide, tap, slide, tap, slide, tap, slide, tap. And then, when you finish that, try it with your left foot. So, slide, tap. It's like when you're doing the moonwalk. Slide, tap. Slide, tap. Slide, tap. Slide, tap. Slide, tap, slide, tap, slide, tap. Tap, slide, tap. So, just keep that rhythm, and then you've done the first shuffle. Bye.